Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how the way to add a manipulation photo. And let's go to the tutorial. First, insert an element that you want to add. For example, I will try to add cup. I think I'm gonna use this cup, this one. Then click Magic Studio and I will try to remove the background from this image like this. And after you finish doing it, you need to add a circle frame onto this object like this, and positioning the frame, make sure that it has a same size as the mark like this. Wait for a moment, let me increase it one more time. Like this and like that. Okay, and after you finish doing it, now you can insert the picture that you want to manipulate. For example, I will add a island. Okay, and then I will try to add, I think I will add this one, and then insert the picture onto the frame like this, and you can adjust the size of it like this. Okay, and after you finish doing it, now add a same image one more time onto this project like this, and then click Magic Studio. Just remove the background, click the remove background like this, and now you can positioning the image, this duplicated image, onto the mark one more time. And after you finish positioning the image onto the mark like this, you need to add one more frame. I'm gonna show you what frame it is. Santa frame. This one. We're gonna use this Santa frame, and then adjust the position like this, and it's up to you. You want to increase or decrease the size of the Santa like this. And after that, swipe left, and for the position, make sure it's on the backward of the first frame, and like that. Now you need to add a picture, and I think I'm gonna add an ocean. And I think I'm going to add this image and insert the image onto the Santa frame. And now you need to adjust the size and the position of the image like this, and click done. And if you finish doing it, now click the frame and duplicate it. Now swipe left, adjust the color onto white color like this, or adjust the color as same as the object behind the frame by clicking this one. Then click it, click done. Now as you can see, it changed color. And click layers, and then click the object like this and move it behind the Santa frame like that. And now you need to positioning it onto this side like this. And after that, duplicate it one more time and do the same. Adjust the position onto behind the Santa frame that has a picture on it like this, and wait for a moment. Like this. And after you finish doing it, now you can get this result. You can be more creative. Let me show you how to do it. And first, let's change the color of the background onto yellow color, and click all of the image, click layers, select, and this one, and go back, and then click group, and after that adjust the positioning of it. I think this one, And now we can add a cloud like this, and then adding it to the image like this. And you can decrease the intensity to 50 like this, and duplicate it, put it on here. And for this one we can increase the intensity like this. And after that, for example, you want to add a bird, just type bird on the elements, and adding it to the image like this, adding it here. And if you finish doing it, now we will get this result. And that's the way how to make a photo manipulation using Canva apps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.